Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern. I am here with Lindsay Lane. We are at a photo shoot in New York City. And Lindsay, let's just get this out of the way. How do we follow you?
You can follow me on Instagram at Lindsay Lane Locks. That's Linz with a Z, L-I-N-D-Z. And come on over and follow us. And follow us at Alfaparf USA as well.
Well, I was going to say that she is one of the educators and a key person with Alfaparf. We're doing this fantastic shoot, and every time you're talking, you're just saying, oh, we do pigments, we always use pigments,
Yes.
and this whole thing is about the power of pigments.
Yes.
So break it down for us. Why do you use them in just about every color formulation?
So pigments are a tool that we have that we can customize anything. We all know we have our blended shades from demi-permanent colors to our permanent pigments, our permanent hair colors. This allows us to customize everything. Retail, take home, you can put it in perm solution, you can put it in our keratin treatments, you can put it in water to repigment the hair if you're gonna be going shades darker, and it makes it much quicker and easier for you. So we wanna just kind of show you guys how you can use these in your products. We're gonna show you in some styling products, and we're gonna put it on some hair extensions. You can do this for little kids, love this in the summer, or just anyone that wants a funky color, and it will just wash away in about 5 to 6 washes. So what we have here is we've just got some extension hair. It's got a little bit of light. And
You know what? Let me go over this way.
Okay,
Sorry.
We'll switch spots. So we've got some extension hair here, and what we're gonna use is we're gonna use our Style Stories Firming Mousse. And we're just gonna shake this up and apply it and put it right in this bowl. You don't need to measure it if you're just doing this fun stuff. So we're just gonna put a little bit in the bowl. And then what we're gonna do is we have 12 different shades of pigments. We have about 10 of them right here. We're gonna use the red pigment mixed with our ultraviolet. Here's our ultraviolet. This is one of our new pigments. It's beautiful. It's a double violet. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. So we're gonna come in here and we're gonna put 4 pumps in there. I like to use gloves when I'm gonna be applying this just because it can stain a little bit if you're putting it on your hands and you're putting it in this product, but really simple and easy. And then you just whip it together. I love to do this with the mousse because it's such a great visual. I wish I had a white bowl. So we'll just put that together. And this is, yeah. And what's really great about this too is if I feel like this is a little bit too red, I can always come, again, customizing and put it right back in to the mousse if I want it to be. I want this to be a little more of a violet shade. Okay?
So it's kind of what you see is what you get.
Yes, exactly. You can mix this into any of our semi-delino shampoos and conditioners as well and send them home with your clients for take home so it will maintain their color. Love that about it. So let me just show you on this white paper towel really quickly. We're gonna just get a little bit of this and we're gonna just paint it right on there. See how that, very highly pigmented, so they make a lot of impact. Gorgeous. I enhance my reds so I can change the direction of the tonal value. It really just makes it so you can customize everything. So what allows us to do this with Alfaparf pigments is that they adapt to any pH level they're in. So we're not really worried about, what pH is it? Is it a direct dye? Is it a demi-permanent pigment? We're actually able to literally put them into anything that you want. The only thing you cannot put them in is bleach, which, for obvious reasons, it will just eat the pigment like it does everything, but that's really it. So we're gonna paint these. All you're gonna do is you're just going to just get a good amount on there and just paint it right on. So you can scrunch, these are dry, so they're gonna get a little bit more, I'm just gonna use my hands. It'll be a little bit easier for you guys to see. So you're just gonna go through and kind of saturate this. This is a great illustration. Even though this is in the mousse, we have what is called a mousse maker. You know the little pumps of soap you can use in the bathroom, just makes foam? You mix that with water and pigments and you put it directly onto any hair that needs to be repigmented. And it will absorb what it needs, leave it on for 5 minutes, rinse it out, and then you can apply color right over the top. No more double processing where you have to do a full gloss, let it process, and then redo it again. You just put it right over the top. So this is gonna just really absorb all the pigments that it needs, so you can see that kind of getting really beautiful and rich.
Any tips on saturation or length of processing time, rinsing?
So not necessarily. You can definitely just use this like you would use any color pigment. If you're doing it in a service like this you would just leave in the hair because it's mousse. But if you're doing like repigmentation, it's just a 5-minute processing time, rinse, and apply your color. As far as you can put it in permanent color, you can put it in your demi-permanents, and you're just going to use the regular processing time for that. So, and then just saturate as you usually would to get the highest saturation. So I just want to show you really quickly, we did ahead of time this little swatch. So this swatch was exactly the same as the other one was. Oh, we'll get these together, dang it. All right. So this really kind of shows you, this is dry. So this was the same color as that last swatch. So fun. If you put this in somebody's hair, about 5 to 6 washes until it's gone. You can also do it, like I said, with water and send people out with fun colors, and you don't have to worry about it.
Okay, so then other than bleach, you said not to use it in bleach. Is there any other time you would not use a pigment?
No, never, never, never. You can put it in absolutely everything. Keratin treatments, neutralizers with perms. You can also put it in with the perm solution, which is really fun. We all know we get some fadage with those, treatments, and with our perming relaxers as well. You can do it with that. They're absolutely the most versatile product in my entire tool chest.
Wow, that's so great. Okay, and I know everybody's wondering, what is your formula?
Oh my gosh, right? Well, I don't like to tell a lot of people this, but I am a gray coverage client. So we have this beautiful gray coverage red within EOC, Evolution of the Color, and it's 6.6 with 5.22, which is a double pigmented violet. 10 volume on the roots for full gray coverage. And then honestly, I use pigments to do my ends. I have very porous hair, so I just mix the red violet and the violet in with my conditioner and my shampoo. I know I'm never going a different color, probably for a really long time, so I just get that pigment in every single time I shampoo.
Just turn this way a little bit.
Yes.
Look how pretty that is. Just the prettiest color. And yet you have it nicely styled.
Oh.
Thank you so much. Again, what is your
Thank you.
title with Alfaparf?
I am a master colorist just currently, and I am the social media ambassador as well. So, yeah.
Keep yourself busy. Thank you
I
so
am
much for
busy.
joining us today. We've had so much fun.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.